Fruits come in a wide range of textures, hues, flavors, and forms all across the world. They can be prepared into classic recipes or consumed raw. Let's look at some colorful fruits from all around the world that you shouldn't miss. The sugar apple. The sugar apple tree varies in height from 10 to 20 feet, 3 to 6 meters. With an open habit of irregular, zigzagging twigs. Foliage is alternate, dull green on top and pale green on the underside. Crushed leaves have an aromatic scent, as do the fragrant flowers, which may be single or in clusters of 2 to 4. They are yellow-green with a pale yellow interior borne off of long drooping stalks. Each fruit segment typically contains a 1/2 inch, 1.5 centimeters, long, black to dark brown seed, of which there may be up to 40 per sugar apple. Most sugar apples have green skins, but a dark red variety is attaining some popularity. Fruit ripens 3 to 4 months after flowering in the spring. Cacao. We're all familiar with chocolate, in one form or another. Whether that's a bitter, rich high cocoa content dark chocolate, a sickly sweet milk or white chocolate, or a milky drink we sup at night before bedtime or when it's cold outside. What many people don't know is quite where our chocolate comes from. All chocolate starts its life as a seed, in a pod, on a tree. The tree in question is the Theobroma cacao tree, which literally means, cacao, the food of the gods. Rambutan. Rambutan is a tropical fruit belonging to the family Sapindaceae. The word rambutan is derived from the Malay word rambut, which means hair, a reference to the numerous hairy protuberances of the fruit. The fruit is often red but sometimes yellow. When peeled open, it reveals a sweet, white flesh clinging to a woody seed. The rambutan fruit can be eaten fresh or canned. Rambutans are used in fruit salads, jellies, or as an ingredient in savory dishes. Seeds are roasted and eaten as a snack in the Philippines. Buddha's hand. Buddha's hand is a citrus fruit in the citron family, which looks like a lemon with long, finger-like segments growing from it. To use Buddha's hand, break off a finger from the hand, and grate or peel the bright lemon exterior. As with all citrus peel, you only want the brightly colored part, not the bitter white pith beneath. Use the resulting shredded zest in baked goods, salad dressings, drinks, marinades, or any dish or recipe that calls for lemon zest or orange zest. Note that its aroma is quite intense. Lovely and floral, but concentrated and intense. A little goes a long way in any dish. Carambola. Of course, the distinctive star shape invites you to use the fruit as a decoration. But that does not do credit to the other charms of the carambola. Use the decorative slices to jazz up a fruit skewer, along with other exotic fruit. And bring a touch of star quality to a salad with the addition of carambola. Or use it as a delightful tastemaker in a cocktail. Carambola can be eaten whole, but rinse the fruit well first. It is surrounded by a waxy layer that can dominate the subtle flavor. Then cut the fruit into slices to create the star shape. The fruit retains its flavor even when baked. Jackfruit. Jackfruit trees flourish in tropical climates and are most widely grown in India. Fresh jackfruit are large, green, spiky and, when ripe, have a slightly acrid odor. Jackfruit are green when underripe and greenish-yellow to brownish-yellow when ripe. If you're looking for the fruit to use in a savory preparation, choose one that is not yet ripe. If you are interested in using it for a sweet preparation, look for a ripe jackfruit. Cashew. A popular ingredient finding its way into many Indian gravies, cashew, a plant originating from Brazil, is a nut high in minerals. Brought to India by traders, the cashew tree grows up to exceptional heights, having a rather irregular trunk. Hanging from the branches are large juicy apples at the bottom of which are attached the cashew nut. Made available round the year, the nut has a great shelf life if stored properly. Jabuticaba. Jabuticaba, botanically classified as Plinia cauliflora, is a South American fruit belonging to the Myrtaceae family. It is a tropical or subtropical evergreen tree native to Brazil that produces thick-skinned purple fruits that resemble large grapes. Jabuticaba is one of the most popular native fruits in Brazil and is also known as Jabuticaba and Brazilian grape tree. It is widely consumed fresh when in season and as a juice product and preserve year-round. Horned melon. Kiwano, which is also called African horned cucumber or jelly melon, is a tropical fruit native to Africa, Australia, and some islands in the Pacific. It's a member of the cucumber family. It's also sometimes called orange spiky fruit because when it's ripe, its rind is orange and is covered in spiky spurs. The inside of the fruit contains jelly-like pulp and edible seeds. Kiwano contains a lot of essential vitamins and minerals. It is water-rich and low in calories. Longan. Longan fruits are small in size, averaging 1 to 3 centimeters in diameter, and have a round to ovoid shape. The fruits are enveloped in a thin, brittle, and bark-like shell, covered in small bumps, giving the surface a pebbled, rough, and textured feel. The peel also ranges in variegated light brown, green, and yellow hues and is easily removed, revealing a translucent, white-gray flesh. The flesh is semi-firm, succulent, and aqueous, encasing a large, black, and shiny hard seed. The seed is inedible, and the flesh does not cling to the seed. Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit, also called pitaya or pitahaya, is a tropical and subtropical fruit that is produced by several different cactus species. You'll recognize it by its bright red or purple exterior with scaly spikes and its yellow, purple or white interior flecked with black seeds. Mangosteen. Mangosteen, Garcinia mangostana, is an exotic, tropical fruit with a slightly sweet and sour flavor. It's originally from Southeast Asia but can be found in various tropical regions around the world. The fruit is sometimes referred to as purple mangosteen because of the deep purple color its rind develops when ripe. In contrast, the juicy inner flesh is bright white. Durian. Durian is a tropical fruit distinguished by its large size and spiky, hard outer shell. It has a pungent smell, custard-like flesh with large seeds. There are several varieties, but the most common one is Duriozabathinus. The fruit's flesh can range in color. It's most commonly yellow or white, but can also be red or green. Durian grows in tropical regions around the world, particularly in the Southeast Asian countries of Malaysia, Indonesia, and Thailand. The fruit can grow up to 1 foot, 30 centimeters, long and 6 inches, 15 centimeters wide. A typical durian fruit has about 2 cups, 486 grams, of edible pulp. So consider adding some fruits to your bucket list the next time you travel or even just go grocery shopping. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to get updates on new videos.